Now we are here unboxing our shopping from online. Today is December 31, New Year Eve. Christmas gift. Yeah, I buy my own Christmas gift. See? Worth of 1,700 ringgit. But not only this, December I spent 3,000 plus already in this online. Shopping good for 1 year. Shopping good for online. I buy the shoes. The question is, ito ba? Kung maliit, if small, then we have to sell to someone. Ouch. Oh, ngam-ngam also. Yeah, ngam-ngam, see? I ordered 37 because my foot size is 36. I can buy my own. Later I buy my own. I have to put the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is this? Oh, see, sexy dress. And then I buy the gloves for Sunday, or if I feel cold in the aircon in my room. Small size. Diba? Wait for some. Ayan, what is this? Sumipis. Ang mipis, can see your panty. Mipis, ang mipis as in mipis. Dapat pala choose the yellow color. Maybe yellow ka na siya. I got allergy guys. That's allergy. La, I order small. Why so big? Pocha. Sinadya ko na nga small. No, size S. I chose already size S, but now still size L to me, to my size, and very very long, so not the same in the picture. What is this? There's no long one dito. Tube. Tube one set. Travel. Going to airport. So many lang we order. This one maroon. I order red. Wala, what is this? Oh my god, all so big. Oh my god, next time I don't order to you already lah. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. What is this? Oh, this one, this one. Among style, this one is bigger. This one smaller. Later we check in the picture. If not, we get back. I will refund. Last so big. If you buy the expensive one, so big oh. I noticing one, if I buy the expensive, matang tidak nam. But if I buy the cheap one, nam. Dahil mga promo one. See, so big. Size M. This is size M. Supposed to be size. No, the one you look like this. And then, I'm 5'5", but very long, you see. See, very disappointed. All disappointed na. Tapos, ano? Parang maraming kulang ng mga shoes. So for the weather, ang kundasan. Weather, hindi ko kundasan pala. What this? Why I have this? Plastic ka. Ano isang stocking? Yan, stocking. For stocking. Okay na. Gawin na, di ba? Oh, the box don't have the box. Kasi isin mo kung kurang. Duh, same also the one yung I buy. This one's much bigger. Small lagi. Same the quality also the one I buy in Shopee. In the picture they're different. Kupuli namla, it's not namla. This one I order size 38. Must be longer to me little bit. So kupuli is namla. If not, oh, nam juga. O diba, meron na tayong army boat. I have a army boat na over small. This one over big size. This one naman over small. And look at it. Sayang yung 1,000 ano na. Sometimes you can attract kasi 2,700. So many already looking shopping. Done with shopping to the shopping mall. Maybe your size too. Pero ito, tayo na boss. Pang one set this one. Pang waiter ba? Pang waiter there. We cannot use it every day, but maybe someday. I travel with my twin flame. With my soulmate. Okay, the shoes. The shoes, okay. At sa mga jeans. I have also cardigan, one set, mga coats, one set. Mga bigger, but sa size, choose mo yung mga big din. Kahit sinek ko yung size, with the M, what is the hips. Pero still, or maybe I'm the one kuros on. Oh, I ordered this. I have already like this. I have already, nabitang to already. Pang housing ba? Pang around here. Kanjalan also. Oh, this one short. Yeah. Wow. So, wait. Ano sa nagbahay? Diba? Diba? Oh, this. That. And then this one for. So if you cannot travel, you can use this one for oven. You know, when you take out something from the oven, very hot. Some leather, false leather. The waiter is here. This one is on. Ah, for my head. Yeah, for my head. So like this. So we're ready to abracadabra. So another grain. Last time difficult to find the clothing can grain color. Now so many grain. Oh, this one I love this one. This one I wear it when my soulmate invite me a romantic dinner. Soulmate talaga. Oh yeah, this one is there. And then this one. Okay, ready na tayo. All light color. I like that. If I have extra, I go shopping straight before I spend somewhere out there. Then I spend drinking, just nagsisakit ka pala, and then hangover, and then the next day your money gone already. But if you buy like this, keep it. Then someday when you need it, then okay already. Because of the brown. Hello? Ang slip niya until here. This one is for here. This 42. The last also I shopping is 800 plus. And then 1,000 plus. So 1,700, 1, 2, 3. Mga 4,000. So 4,000. This one I just keep it. Like bigger. Oh, yeah. Yung also bigger. Oh, like this. Can you text si Rich? Si Rich starting to collect something here. Afterward, after she make... This one I love. Okay, I like. The green I like. One set. One set this one. So this one is pink. Hindi mo siya pink na pink. Yan. Wow. It's so hot ha. And then you wear this one, magkaka-allergy ka talaga. This one I order smooth. La 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 la. Diba? May pang Japan na tayo. So hot oh. So ano, so thick. May pang Korea, Japan, pang China. What is this? Oh, the white color blouse. Blouse lang talaga. Hindi siya dress. Still have to wear shirt. This is the life of single guys. You can do whatever you want. You can shopping as your afford. Now, although last time although my late husband still here, he give all that I want also. When he give me money to budget shopping, he doesn't care already if I shop ka or I don't shop ka. But last time he always buy when he go to KL or another country, when he come back he bring some branded clothes, bags. But sometimes I don't like bag. So he decide to just give me the money only and then I buy my own so that I can choose. Sometimes he bought shoes, high heels for me because he knows I like the high heels. Ay, we add this one again. Why not black? Ala, longgar again. Shit. Longgar oh. La 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 longgar. So means I need to eat. Eat in eat in eat. Inside the box. Tapos lagi daw mga dress dinner one. Like I ngam to me the tube long dress. This one is this way so big, heavy, so heavy. Oh gosh. For Hari Raya. So big. So for heavy yung. Very heavy. Sayang, do it. This one I know also sayang because this one same size only in this. Tableau just no. No, sayang. Yeah, we buy another one for the hand. So that if raining, get wet, the other hand gloves, so you still have extra, like that. What else? Ah, ito yung ano, manipis. Manipis, so guys. Manipis. Ada yung kulang. I did not see. The black color, this one ka. And the red. Okay. This one I thought is red, bloody red, maroon pala. So, lalo kong iitin niya. Okay, that's it, that's it. Isang sa hapot to. Shoulder. Ano ito kapital? Ang lagdag. Yung mga ikakat, put here. This one. So big talaga. Need to repair. So it's not cheap. For me, my size. So not cheap also because I have to repair the one, have to pay. Have to drive the car, go there. If no one's will drive for you, what size is this? If no one drives for you, you can grab. Gusto mo size? Kasi naman. Hindi, mas malaki ito. Ito mas, pareho ng flat nila sa ano. Ang ganito. Si Charlie. Ayusin lang. Yung cut. Then, meron pa akong the previous sa natutak ko. So, pwede na tayo cut. And that's it. And this one. I forgot to what this, ha? Ah, the glitters. If you want to glitters. I don't know, hopefully, ay na, hindi tayo magka-rashes, hindi tayo magka-pimples, hindi tayo magka-breakout. This one is yung spray mo, tapos shining yung, ano, para tayong statue ba, ganun. Ito ba, funny talaga. Ako ka bumili nito? Ang ganda-ganda dun sa ano. So big, and tapos so heavy. Oh, like this, diyan. Isa, ano siya. So, yung style mo. Kapag yung fountain natin.